All right, everyone. This is probably the last package. I think tomorrow I got school, so I all my phones arrived before I got to school. So yay! So this is the Samsung Intensity in black. Let's see if I can unbox it. At this point, David's stream might be ending because was I really active? I was kind of busy, but no, technically not. But yeah, yeah. Also, join his stream if you want to talk to him. Come on. Guess I have to open the other side. Come on. Ooh, it's a lot. Lot to see. What else is in here? Nothing else. Let me just double check. Yeah, nothing else. Oops. And here's the phone itself. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. So pretend this is like an unboxing video. So here's the Samsung Intensity messaging phone with a QWERTY keyboard. Yeah, it's a little like a slider phone. Here it is. Then here it is, the Samsung Intensity in black. Pretty beautiful. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. This one comes with the cable. It comes with the charger, which is very nice. Let's check out the other. Let's see. The thing has drive responsibility, call care with Verizon Wireless, T9 text input. Yeah, and pretty much everything else on here. Wall USB charger. Yeah, with the standard lithium ion battery. Very nice. All phones do that, I guess. Let's see if this has a battery. Most, I'm gonna guess yes, but let me open the back cover with my shirt because I don't want to snap my nail. Oh, it does come with the battery. Let's zoom in. Hold on. Let me turn on the flashlight just for better lighting. SCH-U SCH-U 450. Pretty dirty. Phone's pretty dirty, not gonna lie. I think this one was used before, but at least it came with the instructions too. I got the mounts. Consumer information. Are we cert? Okay. Here's the safety right here. Portable all digital mobile phone. See if it's all about the phone. Maybe these are the instructions. Oh, it has a radio. Your wireless phone is a radio transmitter and receiver, and it is designed to be manufactured not to exceed the exposure limits to frequency RF energy to set by the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) in the U.S. government. It's like a little radio phone, I guess. Very interesting. Let's go ahead and see if this has juice. Let's see if this has any power in it. Or if not, I'm going to plug it in. Nope, it doesn't. So I guess I'll be back. I'm going to plug it in and wipe it down because this thing is pretty dirty. All right, I'm back. It's on the charger. And here's my fingers. I'm guessing it is pretty dirty for a phone like this. Let's go ahead and slide it out. Slides to the left. Here we go. Let's turn it on. There we go. Hello. Does anything else work? Cause this thing ain't doing nothing. I guess I'll have to wait, but let's try with another intensity battery in the meantime. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and see if it turns on. Oh, it does. Yep, it turns on. Why the hell is this one on silent? Hello? Why the hell? Okay, what the hell? Buttons are very faulty. Yeah. The buttons are so fucking faulty. Bro, this phone, the buttons are so faulty on this one. Oh my god, dude. Keypad sounds. Bro, why? Keypad volume. Oh my god. Oh god, this thing is... Yeah. Fuck that wallpaper. Sucks like my shit. Okay, is this thing gonna turn off? Oh my god, this thing has the most faultiest button ever. My fucking god, this thing. Yeah, I don't know, this thing... I might smash it, because what the fuck is wrong with this phone? I'm sorry, everyone, for a little bit of the roughness, because this thing has the... Look at how tough the power button is. This thing has a very faulty power button. And for reference, I might also try to hold it very hard. That's much better. No wonder why I wasn't able to get this thing to turn on. The power button, the end button, very faulty on this. Even if I dial 911 and try to hang up, yeah, this thing is very bad. Well, at least it was a good phone, but at least I have the red and black one, and the blue and black Intensity 2. And all I need is the Intensity 3 and the Convoy 3. And that's it. And that's pretty much it. That's just the unboxing of the Intensity. Yeah, I had a few problems with this stupid ass phone. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That for today. This might be one of my, might not do one of these for a while, but I might buy another phone soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like on the video. If you do, please, I really appreciate if you press the like button on the video, because I barely get likes for some reason. Comment this video to support me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not, and turn on post notifications so Alex Xavier knows when to post. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.